Yo, what's up everyone? It's Casey with casinatortrades. This is week 12. I rode to $250,000 in payouts. We took a 2-week break and just got back from Europe, so you know what that means? It's fucking comeback season. Let's go back to grinding and start getting payouts again and getting on our shit. We gotta lock in. So we got 5 Tradeify straight to funded accounts. We're trading those right now, and let's get it going. Let's go. Woo! Alright guys, first day back Monday from the Euro trip, so I'll keep you guys updated. So if you guys didn't know, on my Euro trip I traded these 5 straight to funded Tradeify accounts in Rome, made $2,100 each on that, and today we're up $800 on the day. Very slow, choppy Monday morning. I was just waiting for little pullbacks, enter for a buy, then wait for it to go up, and then just sell at like 20 points of profit. Just trading one mini today, so up $800 on the day. Slow morning, I'll gladly take it. And yeah, I'm copy trading these on the Tradesyncer trade copier, and yeah, so there we go. Great day. Gonna banger play. Let's see if we can hit it. 2,000. Bang!
Order filled.
Let's go. Just stayed in this choppy range. Market overall trend is up today, so we're looking for buys. Did a buy, I think here, and then basically got out a small loss, and then came back to here, entered right here. Huge wick up out of nowhere, but up 1780 on the day. Gladly take it. Alright guys, Tuesday, great day on the Tradeify accounts. We are up 1780 on the day. Account balance is at $4,755. Just stuck in this very choppy range. Overall trend is up on the day, so we're looking for buys. Got stopped out here at a small loss, but then entered right here, and then it just made a huge wick up and caught a nice like 45, almost 50 point play. So very nice with 2 minis. I'll gladly take it. Alright guys, Tuesday, great day, up 1780 on the day. Very happy with that. Account balances are at like 4,756. So we're about halfway, and then after that we get to like a 10K balance. We can get like a 15 grand payout, because these are 5 accounts, copy trading them with the Tradesyncer trade copier. And yeah, just been trying them out, make sure everything's good, and it's running good. So very happy with that. Great start to the week. Great back from the trip from Europe. Great way to start. Took 2 weeks off before the trip to Europe, and yeah, like if you didn't watch that, felt good to refresh and then get out, explore, and I just feel a lot better mentally and everything like that. So feeling good, feeling great, and I like these markets a little more slow. This is a little choppy, but I like the slower markets. I'm not really a fan of the like very volatile, huge 100-point candles. I am not a fan of that. I like it when it's like more slow and calm. That's how I thrive with my strategy and do good. So looking good on the market for that, and yeah, let's go. Woo! To break this. See if it breaks. Yep, there we go. Nice. Nice stack, nice. See it keep ripping. Sniper entry, break retest, broke, it was breaking levels, like closing below all the 920 EMA. And once it broke this previous level right here, came down, came up, tapped it, retested it again, had a short. I don't think I was in any drawdown, maybe like 2 or 3 points. Like literally nothing. Let's see if it wants to keep ripping. Could definitely do that. Go.
Order filled.
I'm gonna lock it in. Keeps kind of hesitating right here and bouncing back up. That was a nice 40-point play to start the day before FOMC. Let's go.
Order filled.
Bang! Let's fucking go. Bang, guys. What a day. I think it was like 4 or 5 plays in a row, all wins. So after this fall right here, the market was just staying short before FOMC on Wednesday. So took a short right here, caught a nice 40-point drop. And then when it came back up to like these areas, I was just taking shorts, like small shorts, small shorts, small shorts. Just adding up little base hits. Up $1,800 on the day. I'll gladly take it. Bang, guys. So great week so far. 3 for 3 on these days. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Awesome winning days. Feeling good. I'm liking these markets a little better. A lot better, actually. And yeah, I feel a lot more refreshed, refocused after that Europe trip. Life-changing experience. Rome vlog is out now if you guys want to watch that. But yeah, awesome comeback so far. So our accounts are at $6,500 balance each. We need to get into like a $10,000 balance, so we need like $3,500 more. Then we get like a 15 grand payout with Tradeify. We got 5 accounts going right now. Let's go. We're done for the day. Been waking up early. It feels good. I've been waking up at like 7 a.m. now and starting trading around like 7:30. Before I used to wake up at 8 and start trading around like after 8, like 8, 8:30, 9. But now I'm starting a little earlier, seeing more moves, more clear setups, and yeah, because after like some time, the market just gets like choppy for a little bit. And yeah, so I want to catch some like moves, and I'm liking it when it's more slower. I don't like it when it's really volatile. So look, it's only 9:24 a.m. PST. I'm done for the day. I can move on, work on other stuff. Let's go. Nice egg taco. I'll take egg taco for lunch. Alright guys, down $2,500 on the day. Thursday, not the best. I think Trump spoke, and then there's news at 5:30. So yeah, I didn't adapt well, and yeah, I just didn't do the best. So down $2,500 on the day. Alright guys, first week back, you know we had to hit the fuzz shops. So we got some nice fubbles. Yes, spring rolls, fubbles. Get fucked. Go, 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 go. There we go. Very nice. Literally rejected off here like 4 or 5 times. Nice. There we go. Currently up 45 points. Trading 1 mini right now. Nice. Same thing right here. It could either bounce right here or break it. It's dropping pretty aggressive, which is like good for us. Okay, going in our favor. Let's see if it wants to break here or bounce. Could definitely go here, and then if it same thing, it could bounce here again, or it could break down to these levels. If it drops here, that's another 50 points. Stop loss up like 34 points of profit guaranteed, just to be safe. But if it wants to keep ripping, it could keep ripping.
Order filled. Order filled.
Gonna lock it in. That was a nice 40-point play. At my peak, I was up. What up, like over 60, I think. So that was a very nice play. Shorted right here because look, it literally rejected off here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th time. I was like in a tiny bit of drawdown, and then yeah, dropped down like over 50, 60 points. Locked in at 40. Rather be safe. Nice $800 play. Gladly take it. Guys, Friday, banger day. Made up all the losses from yesterday and 200 more. So $2,700. So I was really only trying to make the $2,000 because that's my 20% consistency with these Tradeify accounts. But I was in a short right here with 2 minis, and it just fell super fast, super hard. And then I have a $2,000 profit trigger, and it triggered a little late. So I ended up profiting a little $700 more, but I'm not going to purposely lose it. I just have to make more to get a payout to abide by the 20% consistency. Bang, guys. Bang your week. Way to make a comeback. So pretty much every single day was a winning day except for Thursday. So banger days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today Friday ended on a great note. Yesterday was very bad, lost $2,500. Shouldn't have traded. Shouldn't have just stopped at $1,000 negative overall, if anything. But Trump was speaking, and then also I think there was some news, and the market was just moving very weird. And then a lot of people got messed up, and the price action was pretty weird in my opinion. But yeah, every day today was this week was amazing. Today we made an extra $700 more, so we do have to make more on the consistency to abide by that. So I did the math. I had to make $13,500 in order to get to the 20% consistency, and then we get a 15 grand payout. So hopefully we can do that next week. Account balances are at $6,700, so around that. And yeah, so pretty good on that. Great way to end the week, and let's go. Woo! Alright guys, Friday, got on a beautiful walk. If you guys didn't know, this was the pond. I'll turn it around, but guys, this is the pond. It's fully dried out. Show you this. There's it's all dried out. Walking the aunt's dog right now. Looks like he's full grown, and everyone's like, "Oh my God, how old's your puppy?" I'm like, "Oh, he's actually 7 years old," which he is. And hi, Huggy. And people think he's a raccoon because I tell them like, "Oh, he's half raccoon, half shepherd." But yeah, as I was saying like, "Oh, he's half shepherd, half raccoon. He's a cross hybrid. I've got him on a farm." And they're like, "Oh my gosh, you're kidding. No way." They're like, "I never heard of such a thing." But yeah, I was telling them that he's half raccoon and half shepherd. But he's full grown, yeah. And that's why it explains the print. That's why he's raccoon. So, hybrid raccoon. Guys, end of trading week Sunday, so keep you guys updated. So we're back with the vlogs, back with the road to 250K. Took a little break, and yeah, so we're back on track. So great week with the Tradeify accounts. 4 out of the 5 winning days, and only losing day was Thursday. And those account balances are at like $6,700 balance. Let's go, keep trading, keep grinding, and start getting more payouts. Let's go. Woo!